Hey guys, what's going on?
Shut up!
Sisters, what has gotten into you two?
By the way, you owe me for a car tow and a tank of gas, you little leech.
Yeah, Graham said you never amount to anything.
Whatever, I'm leaving.
Oh, sure, you're such an immature brat. You leave every time you can't hack something.
Well, there's nothing keeping me here. I am so sick of the two of you ganging up on me and judging me.
I am so sick of saving your asses.
I'm sick of being taken for granted, bitch!
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
You're acting like you don't even want to be my friend anymore. It's crazy. If you love somebody, set them free. And if they really love you, they'll come back.
You should be ashamed of yourselves!
Crazy.
So let's just pretend and make wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Jealous, stupid, and I'm sorry.
Why are you saying things about me?
Please let me explain.
But I do know you are meant to be friends. And please, I do not want to watch you throw that away over this fight.